All eyes on me. Eyes on me. CoCo on fleek. CoCo on fleek. Expensive hair,
Hi,
baby.
I'm Dawn, and I came to CoCo's about a week ago with extremely damaged hair done by fusion and tape extensions. I was extremely worried about my hair. CoCo explained how she was going to work with it. It is now soft, it is bouncy, it feels absolutely fantastic. I've been doing extensions for 30 years, and I have never had a hair extension process like this. It is worth every penny that I've spent, and I could not be happier with what I got at CoCo's this year.